This is the Baofeng Walkie Talkie. Honestly, the best bang for buck walkie talkie you can purchase for film set use. It costs only 20 bucks for a pair, so I bought 2 pairs, which is enough for the camera team. What really attracted me the most with the F22 is that you can use professional headsets with a Kenwood plug and recharges with a USB-C. It even has a built-in torch when filming on dark locations, but the main thing is the communication of the walkie-talkie itself. The distance of the F22 should be able to communicate around 1 to 1.5 kilometers. On set, the max I have ever measured was 400 meters away in a dense forest talking to the crew who went to the car park, which honestly is much more than what you get from most intercom systems. However, we haven't had any situations where we needed to talk further away than that. The Baofeng F22 is available in PMR and FRS version, which is dependable in which part of the world you are using the walkie-talkie. You either need PMR for Europe or use FRS in USA. One very important thing to do with the F22 is to set the CTCSS or the DCS privacy code, which is the second number on the screen. It is to set an analog or a digital code which prevents the walkie-talkie to sound out signals from other walkie-talkies that might be on the same channel but not on the same privacy code, but also prevent others from hearing them unless they are using the same channel and the same privacy code. That is why I set it to a very high number that's unlikely to be used. The sound quality over the speaker isn't bad.
Audio test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
But the sound is a lot better if you use a good headset. The battery that comes with the F22 lasts about 18 hours, however you can use some high capacity AA batteries that last even longer. But I do suggest removing the battery at the end of the day or after recharging, as there is a noticeable battery drain even when the F22 is turned off. Also, the charging of the F22 batteries are inside of the walkie-talkie and isn't a fast charger. But because it's a USB Type-C, it's quite easy to charge it via a power bank or anything else. But also a nice feature is that you can use AA batteries, as if you are away and you can't charge it in any other way, it's still a nice option to able to swap it with AA batteries. So why did I get the black and the orange version of the F22? Obviously, working with professionals who can keep the walkie-talkie on them all the time and also collect the walkie-talkie at the end of the day, I can just give them the black version. But directors and some ADs often are a bit annoying, as they would just randomly leave them somewhere on set, making it hard to find when it's also a very dark set. So the orange stands out more, making it easier to find it on a dark film set. The conclusion: for the price and what it achieves, it's a no-brainer to buy this, and it works really great and really makes it a lot more easier to communicate on a film set, and it's also a lot cheaper than most intercom systems. So if you want to purchase the Baofeng F22, there's a link in the description below, and thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.